In a world where delivering unforgettable experiences to visitors is the key to success, amusement park maintenance plays a crucial role in keeping rides and attractions running smoothly. The challenges faced by a typical amusement park maintenance organization include unplanned ride breakdowns, keeping up with preventive maintenance and ride inspections, managing external vendors, spare parts management, and maintaining consistent records, all of which can feel like a real roller coaster. These challenges cannot be effectively addressed by using WhatsApp groups, paper reports, and Google Sheets. To address the above, we are introducing MAINMAN, the next-generation solution for modern plant maintenance for your team. We ensure a seamless experience on both Android iOS and the web. Next-gen features of MAINMAN: drag-and-drop scheduling calendar, custom templates for service tickets, scan QR codes to create tickets effortlessly, detailed service ticket reports. MAINMAN also has the standard CMMS features: organized maintenance scheduling, real-time asset information, work orders management, improved safety compliance, increased ride uptime, boosted equipment dependability, streamlined maintenance procedures. Supported by a specialized team, always available to assist you, we offer the best customizable CMMS to suit your amusement park's unique requirements. Welcome to MAINMAN, where maintenance meets magic.